Melbourne sound, Melbourne, Melbourne sound, Melbourne, Melbourne sound, Melbourne, Melbourne sound. Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around, fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around, fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around, fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around, fuck this radio tracks and see we keep it underground. Melbourne sound, bien fucking around, fuck this radio tracks and see we keep it underground. Cause work these days has me feeling like shit, but it's all worthwhile when the weekends like this. So man, I'm off gut running amok, a lady luck, then a Saturday never sober, Rick Rover. Weekend come close, coming to an end. Where the fuck am I heading to? Red. It's Melbourne, the best scene on the earth, best sound, sluts, drugs, and we're living it first. Turn it down, no cunt, you better turn it up, and if they try to turn it off, tell them get fucked. Tuesday feeling better, Wednesday looking right, Thursday can't wait, and Friday's the night. So fuck work, fuck the mix, about the music, listen to the drop and fucking lose it. Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around, fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around, fuck the Melbourne, Melbourne sound, Melbourne, Melbourne sound, Melbourne sound, bien fucking around, fuck this radio tracks and see we keep it underground. Cause work these days has me feeling like shit, but it's all worthwhile when the weekend's up. It's Friday feeling different at the makers and mischief, Saturday feeling fine, I'm heading to Cloud 9. Week come close, what am I gonna do? It's Sunday, let's get ready, I'm heading to TFU. It's Melbourne, the best scene on the earth, best sound, sluts, drugs, and we're living it first. Turn it down, no cunt, you better turn it up, and if they try to turn it off, tell them get fucked. It's fuck work, fuck them, 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 fuck work, 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 fuck work. Listen to the drop and fucking lose it. Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around. Fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around. Fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around. Fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around. Melbourne sound, bien fucking around. Fuck this radio tracks and see we keep it underground. Cause work these days has me feeling like shit, but it's all worthwhile when the weekends like this. So man, I'm off gut running amok, a lady luck, then a Saturday never sober, Rick Rover. Weekend come close, coming to an end. Where the fuck am I heading to? Red. It's Melbourne, the best scene on the earth, best sound, sluts, drugs, and we're living it first. Turn it down, no cunt, you better turn it up, and if they try to turn it off, tell them get fucked. Tuesday feeling better, Wednesday looking right, Thursday can't wait, and Friday's the night. So fuck work, fuck the mix, about the music, listen to the drop and fucking lose it. Bien Melbourne sound, 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 bien fucking around. Fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around. Fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around. Fuck the Melbourne sound, bien 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 fucking around. Fuck this radio tracks and see we keep it underground.